that I have opened the file, and today we are going to practice conditional formatting and how it can be collecting. And one thing there that in our earlier video we have learned to create charts and how we can fill the colors and decorate the cells, all the things we have learned in our earlier video. So today we are going to conditional formatting on an method like here. First of all, let me inform you guys that if you are getting this kind of cells or data that is not in a tabular form, so you will have to create a table by getting this data. And how it can be, let me show you. First of all, select the all where you want to create table. Just select that cell from there to here. Yeah, I'm getting selected, and press after selecting, press Control T, and then okay, it has been converted into table. Okay. Yeah, and what is the next? Next, we want to create a highlight or conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting? First, let me inform you that conditional formatting that we have to apply some condition that if the data is if this cell is more than 1000, then the color will be red, green, white, black, blue, whatever you want to do. Just play with color by using conditional formatting. And guys, here as you are showing that these cells are not working properly, as here in header written is numerical 1000, 1002, so 10,002 actually. So it will not work accordingly. We will work as here name, age, outcome, bonus. These are the heading, and accordingly we will work start. So let's first of all, after selecting, we are going to use conditional formatting. Here in home you will get conditional formatting. In drop down you have to just click and color cells. After going or selecting any kind of things, you will get that it is working. Okay, you should have to select this cell first of all, then it will start working. Suppose I have selected there and go to home and then conditional formatting and just use the color scale and see what is happening in color scale. Just click select, nothing is happened. Why? So just select here, go conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and apply greater than. Okay, now we are going to apply greater than. Format cells that are greater than 500. Yeah, I have written here format cells that are greater than 500. Greater than 500, then they will fill red, fill with dark red. Okay, then. Oh guys, are you watching? It has been working. The cell which have more than 500, it has been colored with light, dark, that kind of red color what we have provided in the condition. They have working. It is working accordingly. Now I want to delete. Okay, after selecting all the things, just go to conditional formatting and clear rules. Clear rules. Clear from selected. Oh my god, why it is blinking? So clear rows from selected cells. As I have selected here some cells, not the entire sheet. So if you want to clear the work but you have applied related conditional formatting. So if you want to delete, then you just have to select clear rules from entire sheet. And if you just want to delete or remove from the selected cells, then after selecting, go clear rules and then select clear selected cells, clear rules from selected cells, and it becomes so clear. Are you watching, guys? It became so clear. So after that, again we are going to select, and after selecting, go conditional formatting, then data bars, and select any of this, and you will. That is not working. It is only working the condition for the that didn't work actually. After going conditional formatting, guys, don't mind, I am also practicing because I'm also a student and growing in my career, learning to grow in my career, and meanwhile I am sharing with you that anyhow it will get helpful. So while practicing, I thought that it will be helpful to share. So keep practicing with me and keep um, exporting, means by yourself. Just keep exploring the things how it can be happen. I'm sharing, and I'm also going to start my journey, data analytics journey. So I'm sharing all the videos related to Excel data analytics courses. If you are guys interested, then go watch my Power BI data analytics videos. That will be very helpful. And let's get practice the another rule. Like here it is top and bottom rules. Here it is showing top 10. If there should be more rules, if I am selecting here 3 and format only cells that contain format all cells based on their values, format only top or bottom ranked value. Okay, only top and bottom. Whether it is working or not, let's practice format. After selecting, okay, selecting, nothing is working. So go conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, then less than, and less than 5,000. There is no anything. Everything is. I'm going to put here 1500, and yeah, there is one cell that is 500. Okay, so I'm writing here 1000. Okay, fill red color. Okay. Are you watching, guys? Which one is less than 1000? 1000 is not highlighted. The numbers which are less than 1000 have been colored, have been highlighted. That is called conditional formatting. We have applied some conditions, like the condition is apply the rules or apply the red colors on which cell that are less than 1000, and age they are taking as a number, and it is as less than from 1000, so it has been colored. Here also 0, 0 and 500, but 1000 has not been colored because it is not less than 1000. It is equal to less than. So right now we can use that kind of conditional formatting. And if you want to delete it, if you don't want to apply this condition, go select again select again, and then conditional home, and conditional formatting, then clear rules. Clear means all clear. Selected cells, it will be clear. It will be clear, guys. And next again, we are going to select the cell, then conditional formatting, and now this time you can highlight less than and between or equal to. Let's try equal to. The number which are equal to, I'm putting here 1000, and then C, and this time I'm changing the color. I just want to taste, not fill the all cells, just taste, and selecting text, red text. The text will be red. Okay. Are you watching, guys? It has been changed. That 1000 equal to, I have applied the condition. If the cell is 1000 equal to 1000, then color only the text with red, and it has been colored with red text. Are you watching? It has like that. You can search, you can improvise, you can testing by yourself that how it can be some kind of conditional formatting, how can we apply, and again go select the cell, and then home, conditional formatting, manage roles, and as here is there are so many condition manage rules. What we can do here, edit rule. You can go edit rule. In edit rule, cell value is equal to 1000. Preview that we applied, the text become red. Right now what we want to do, so just format only top or bottom rank, and then top 10, not I'm applied here top 3, and format, and let's see what is happening. Guys, are you watching? As there is 1 2 3 1 2 3 has been colored. The cells we have it was earlier one, not right. So if you want to check, then first of all, after selecting, you just have to clear, then only you can observe that whether it is working or not. So go home, conditional formatting, clear rules, selected cells, it has been cleared right now. Again go to conditional formatting, and this time new rule. What is new rule? Let's see what is new. Okay, in new rules, 2 color scale. We can use 2 color scales here. Lowest value, which one is lowest value? It has been colored with red, and which has been highest value, which can be colored with, we can change color from here, so like that, blue. And just click OK. Oh god, oh my god. Are you watching guys? It has been changed like orange. Which one is the lowest value? So it is showing here red or orange, and which one are highest? Which one is highest? This is showing blue color. Okay, so you can apply, you can use conditional formatting by yourself, whatever you want to do, just to and practice, keep learning, keep exploring. In today's video, that is enough for today. So keep practicing guys, and keep watching my earlier videos related Excel and Power BI. That's how after creating you can start your career. If you are seriously learning, that is going to help you in your learning journey. So guys, take it serious and
मम्मी
start
आपको
learning
मेरा
from today.
पेंसिल बॉक्स दिखाऊं है ये देखो